Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to take Ashwagandha and Shatavari for weight gain easy method. Start with low doses like 300 mg Ashwagandha and 500 mg Shatavari daily and monitor response closely. Mix with a protein and calorie-rich meal to enhance absorption. Track appetite, energy, and weight weekly. Adjust timing to find what fits your routine and avoid exceeding recommended supplement doses without medical advice. For timing and dosage, split daily amounts to maintain steady levels and reduce side effects. Try Ashwagandha 300 mg in the morning and 300 mg at night, or 600 mg at night if sleep is desired. Use Shatavari 500 mg with breakfast and 500 mg with dinner, or a single 1,000 mg dose with a meal. Track results for 2 to 4 weeks before adjusting the regimen. Combine safely by introducing one supplement at a time and waiting at least 1 week before adding the second. If you notice digestion issues, fatigue, or mood shifts, pause and reevaluate. Keep other supplements and medications in mind, especially sedatives or thyroid treatments, and seek medical guidance if you take prescription drugs. Prioritize nutrient-dense meals and resistance training to support healthy weight gain alongside supplementation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.